How to check location history by device on Google account. So if you want to check location history by device on Google account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google application at first, Google search application. Once under the Google search, you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile, and tap on manage your Google account. Once you go with it, now you need to swipe right and you will have data and personalization. Just go with data and personalization or just go with data and privacy. And if you scroll down here, you will have your location history. So just scroll down and tap on the location sharing or the location history option if you find it. And after that, you can simply go with manage. But if you don't find the history, then you can simply go with search, which is on the upper right. And here you can search for location history. Tap on it. Once you find the location history, now you need to scroll down, go with see all activity controls, and then scroll down again and tap on this Google Maps or the location option. And again, scroll down and here you will have all of the location. So you just need to simply go with auto delete and you can choose the auto delete time or just go with delete, which is right here to delete your location history. But if you want to check your location history, then you can simply go with your maps activity and here you will have your location history. So that's it. That's how you can check your location history by device on your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.